In this tutorial, we will show you step by step how to start minting PLCUX coins after registering with the PLC Ultima, purchasing the Ultima X Minter package, and installing the Ultima Wallet and Ultima Farm applications. The first thing you need to do is buy PLC Ultima coins. To do this, go to the Coinsbit exchange. If you do not have USDT coins, then first replenish your balance. Then follow these steps. Log in to the exchange and go to Wallet. Click Balance. Type USDT in the search. Then next to USDT, click Deposit. You will then be able to select the USDT network. Select your preferred network. For example, if you have USDT on the Tron network, then choose TRC20. You will then see a QR code with your wallet address below. Transfer your USDT to it. Now that you have USDT coins on your balance, go to the exchange in the Trading section, and in the left menu in the search bar, enter PLCU. You will then see a USDT pair. Click it or follow this link. To buy at the market price, select Market. In the Amount column, enter the number of USDT you want to use to purchase PLCUs. Then click Buy. You can also buy PLCU by a limit order, that is, with a specific purchase or sell price. In this case, select Limit and enter the price you want to pay for PLCU and the number of coins you want. Then press Buy button. All done, you have purchased PLCU coins. Now is the time to purchase PLCUX coins. PLCUX is purchased the same way as PLCU. Please note that you can purchase PLCUX coins only for PLC Ultima. Trade-in is not available for PLCUX PLCUC payer, and this payer will soon not be available to the exchange users. To conclude a contract and start minting, you'll also need a PLCU Classic coin. It is necessary to pay for gas. You can find a detailed story about what gas is and its calculation on our YouTube channel. If you don't have PLCUC on your balance, you can purchase the coin on Coinsbit with USDT. The purchase occurs according to the algorithm already described in this tutorial. Now that you have all the necessary coins on your exchange balance, it's time to send them to the farm. Be careful, you will need the Ultima Farm wallet address to top up the farm. You can copy it directly in the mobile application or your account on ultimafarm.com. Click Top Up My Farm on the PLCUX control panel and copy the address of your farm wallet. When you have copied the address, go to the exchange in the Balance section, select Withdrawal and select PLCUX. In the address field, paste the copied address of the farm. Enter the amount you want to send to the farm. Confirm the transaction and wait for the exchange to process it. As soon as the transaction is processed, you can conclude a contract at your farm. The conclusion of a smart contract is the final step to start minting. To start working, you need an active license for minting. It defines your max load, and of course you need some coins. So to conclude a smart contract, open the Ultima Farm application. Choose the PLCUX farm. On the main screen, click the Get Profit button. A window will open where you must agree to the terms and swipe the slider to the right. Please note, at this step, your PLCUX farm balance must have sufficient PLCUC coins to pay for the gas transaction. Gas is charged for all transactions in the PLCUX network, but it is not applied to service transactions. Gas is fuel for the network, like gas for an engine. Currently, the gas commission is 1%, but no less than 0.210 thousandths PLCUC. Swipe to confirm the conclusion of the smart contract. You're all set. On the screen, you will see a message that the smart contract has been concluded. The profit received due to minting can be withdrawn and used at your discretion. If you have any questions, you can find detailed tutorials for working with PLC Ultima on our YouTube channel.